Alright, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan, Batang Maynila to it's. So ngayon po ay nagaganap na ang Senate Session number 55. At dapat po, gaya ng napag-usapan kahapon, dapat alas 4 ay susumpa po itong mga senator judges. Pero 4:30 na po kanina ay hindi pa po sila sumusumpa. At eto namang si Bato de la Rosa ay umiepal mga kababayan. Dahil gusto raw muna niyang mag-privilege speech bago daw siya sumumpa bilang senator judge. Yan po ay hindi naman sinang-ayunan ni Coco Pimentel. Kasi nga ang usapan alas 4. Diba? So dapat yung motion na inapprove isagawa ng Senado. So ito delay na naman mga kababayan. Nabibuisit na talaga ang taong bayan eh. Ito si Chis Escudero talaga. Ewan ko dito sa na to eh. Dapat sundin nyo yung pinag-usapan ninyo. Bakit ganon? Ito, pakinggan natin yung nangyari mga kababayan.
Mr. President, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa is seeking the floor for us. He would like to deliver a privilege speech.
What is the pleasure of the honorable...
Mr. President.
Before recognizing the Honorable De La Rosa, Senator Pimentel is raising his hand. What is the pleasure of the Honorable Pimentel?
Shouldn't we, in good faith, implement the approved motion from yesterday, Mr. President, that at 4 o'clock we should be taking our oath as senator judges, and then we'll give way to the privilege speech, Mr. President. So that was the motion approved by the body yesterday.
Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, we will be honoring that what was agreed upon yesterday, but this is a personal collective privilege, and any member of this August body can just stand up and avail of this collective of this privilege hour, Mr. President.
No, I don't think so, Mr. President. This is a privilege speech. This is a privilege speech. This is not a privilege motion. So my motion is to execute and implement what was agreed upon yesterday. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we take our oath.
Senator...
I make of record the time. It's 4:31 p.m., Mr. President.
Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah, Mr. President, it was very clear yesterday that we agreed that before I take my oath as member of the impeachment court, I should have delivered my privilege speech. That's why I made it a precondition to my approval or to my agreement to the motions yesterday that I'm willing to take oath as a member of the impeachment court, provided let me first deliver my privilege speech. And very clear, it was agreed by the minority leader.
No, Mr. President, no. It was stressed the convening of the court. That was the issue. And the agreement natin, the oath taking is not the convening of the court. That's very clear, Mr. President.
Several members are raising their hands. May I first acknowledge our Majority Floor Leader, Senator Tolentino. Thereafter, our Deputy Minority Floor Leader, Senator Ontiveros. Senator Tolentino may proceed.
With the permission of the gentleman. Mr. President, let me remind the gentleman that yesterday this representation moved to expunge from the records the word agreement, precisely because this representation would want that all matter that arose yesterday should be express stipulations coming from the mandate of the Constitution. Yung agreement po siguro inalis na natin to reflect the solemnness of the proceedings yesterday. So, kung ano po yun na pag-usapan, Mr. President, siguro yung dalawang ginoo na lamang muli ang magkasundo, pero the record should not reflect the word agreement. Iyon po lang yung sinasabi ko, Mr. President. Maraming salamat po.
Mr.
Noted.
President,
Senator, this
is important because it's related. So, what I'm asking
Senator Pimentel, you may proceed.
What I'm asking to be enforced is the motion approved already, Mr. President. So we had approved by the plenary. A motion was approved by the plenary. So yun lang.
Senator Ontiveros is recognized.
I second the motion of the Minority Leader, Mr. President, the motion to implement the approved motion. Napakahirap naman po magpatupad ng ganyang kasimple. Mr. President, under Section 3 of our Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the presiding officer shall administer the prescribed oath or affirmation to the members of the Senate then present, and to the other members as they shall appear, whose duty it shall be to take the same. So yung pagka wala po o yung hindi pa po pagkasumpa ng ibang mga senador, hindi naman po hadlang sa mga present ngayon at manunumpa ngayon para magsimulang tuparin yung tungkulin namin bilang miyembro ng impeachment court. Kung nais po ng good gentleman from Davao mag-deliver ng privilege speech ngayon, maari namang pong ituloy na po yung pagpapatupad ng agreed motion kahapon, manumpa kaming lahat na iba sa inyo bilang presiding officer, and then pakinggan po natin ang privilege speech ng good gentleman from Davao, at pagkatapos kung nais niya, ay pwedeng manumpa na ayon dito sa ating rules of impeachment, Mr. President. So
Mr.
sinusugundahan ko po yung motion ng minority leader na gawin na po natin yung approved motion kahapon. Salamat po, Mr. President.
Chair would like to make some remarks before acknowledging Senator De La Rosa. There was a prior motion made by the majority floor leader. There is no motion to second as of yet because we first have to dispose of the first motion made by the majority leader with respect to the recognition of Senator Bato. But we note the manifest. We will consider and take note of the remarks of Senator Ontiveros as a manifestation for the meantime. Now, the movant is here. The person who made the motion yesterday. Perhaps when I suspend session, you can discuss it. But for the record, there is no attempt whatsoever, and kindly, I hope people will refrain from making insinuations that there is an intent not to proceed with what was agreed upon yesterday simply because of the time. Because I was here at 4 p.m. and I waited until we had enough numbers for a quorum. And we will proceed as scheduled with respect to that. So whether Senator Bato, as will be discussed when we suspend, will speak first, or we will do what is being suggested by the minority floor leader. In either case, both will be done today. So before I recognize the movant, Chair will suspend the session so that you can discuss. Session is suspended.
Okay, so sinuspend muna mga kababayan itong Senado. Dahil po ang gustong mangyari ni Bato de la Rosa, siya po ay magbibigay ng privilege speech. Na yung privilege speech naman, pwede namang pwede naman niyang gawin after nila manumpa bilang senator judge. Diba? Pwede naman kaya lang, etong si Bato de la Rosa, nambuburaot na naman. Sabi niya, susumpa daw siya bilang senator judge, provided magsasalita muna siya, magkakaroon muna siya ng privilege speech. So, ang daming paepal nito ni Bato de la Rosa. Pwede ka naman sumumpa na Kasi unang-una, trabaho nyo yan Sinumpaan tungkulin mo yan bilang senador. Tapos magbibigay ka ng kondisyon. Ngayon, kung ayaw mo na maging senator judge, pwede ka na mga lumayas dyan Hindi ka naman kinakailangan dyan Dapat nga mag-inhibit ka dahil alam naman na ang magiging boto mo ay acquit si Sara Duterte. So ang daming umpisa pa lang mga kababayan, talagang ang dami ng paepal nito ni Bato. Nabuburaot talaga Hindi ba pwede yung ka muna, sumumpa muna kayo kasi yun naman ang pinag-usapan ninyo O pagkatapos, ka na. Mag-privilege speech ka hanggang madaling araw, hanggat gusto mo. Gusto mo hanggang kinabukasan, 1 linggo ka mag-privilege speech. Pero unahin nyo muna yung napag-usapan ninyo. Unahin nyo muna yung napag-agreed upon. Yun, kayo nag-usap Tapos ang dami mo paepal, bago ka manunumpa, kailangan muna mag-privilege speech. Kala mo naman pagkagaling-galing mo. Wala nambibwisit na lang to So, ayan po ang nangyayari. Ako sangayon kay Senator Coco Pimentel at kay Senator Risa Ontiveros. Tsaka na yung privilege speech, yung motion na na-approve na kahapon na sila'y manunumpa bilang senator judges, gawin nyo na. Huwag nyo nang patagalin. Chis Escudero naman, ang dami rin paekek eh. Diba? Mamaya nyo pagsalitain niyo si Bato, wala naman tayong maririnig na maayos dyan. So manumpa na kayo. Napakadali lang, saglit lang yun eh. Siguro 10 seconds na, 15 seconds lang yung panunumpa na yun, tapos na eh. Diba? Ang daming kondisyon ni Bato de la Rosa. Nanghiya itong mga ito. Talagang hindi ko maintindihan kung dinidelay ba talaga? Ano ba talaga ang gusto nyo mangyari? So yun lang mga kababayan. Nireport ko lang sa inyo yung nangyari. Unang salang pa lang yan ha. Talagang meron na paepal itong si Bato de la Rosa. Ang alam ko, tinutuloy nila ngayon at nagsasalita na ata itong si Mr. Puncher, mga kababayan. Pinagbigyan na ata itong kanyang privilege speech. So yun lang po muna mga kababayan. Tutok-tutok lang po dito sa Batang Maynila. To sa iba pang updates. Ingat po tayong lahat. God bless po.